Hello everyone, welcome to Site Programming channel. I am Srivalli, belongs to Information Technology from Sessi Institute of Technology and Engineering. Now I am submitting the video assignment on the job sequence with deadlines using greedy approach under the supervision of the Nageshwara sir. Now we have to see what is job sequence with deadlines. The scheduling of jobs on a single processor with deadline constraints is called as job sequence with deadlines. Here you are given a set of jobs. Each job has a defined deadline and some profit associated with it. The profit of a job is given only when that job is completed within its deadline. Only one processor is available for processing all the jobs. Processor takes 1 unit of time to complete a job. Now, what is greedy approach? A greedy approach of a job scheduling algorithm states that given n number of jobs with a starting time and ending time, they need to be scheduling in such a way that maximum profit is received within that maximum deadline. Let's do the problem. Find the maximum profit using job sequence with deadlines as given below with the help of greedy approach with n is equal to 5. Here jobs are J1, J2, J3, J4 and J5. Profits are 100, 19, 38, 27 and 52. Deadlines are 2, 1, 2, 1, 3. Here the first step is to arrange all the jobs in descending order based on the profit values. So here 100 is the higher profit. So first job is J1. So the next one 52. 52 is nothing but the last process J5. Next one is J3. 58 is nothing but J3. Next 27 is nothing but J4. And next 19 is nothing but J2. Now we have to write the profits. First job profit is 100. Last job profit is 52. Third job profit is 38. Fourth job profit is 27. And second job profit is 19. Now write the deadlines also. So here what is D1? 2. What is D5? 3. D3? 2. D4? 1. And D2? 1. Now we have to assign all the jobs to the corresponding submission, assign a slot to them and execute one by one. So for that, let us draw a table. Here the table has 4 columns. First column is assigned slot. The second column is job select. The next column is action. And the last column is profit. Initially there is no slot allocated. We have to write as none. Next job selected. So first 100 is the first job profit. So we have to select J1. Next the action. Action means which slot we have to give. Here 3 is the maximum slot. 3 means we will having 3 slots. Zero to 1 first slot, 1 to 2 second slot and 2 to 3 is the third slot. Here First job deadline is 2. Here we have a formula. The formula is r minus 1 comma r. We can use this formula. So r is nothing but the deadline. Here 3 is the deadline. Sorry, here 2 is the deadline. 2 means 2 minus 1 comma 2, which means 1 comma 2. Here 1 comma 2 slot is free. We have to assign here J1. Then the action is 1 comma 2. The profit is 100. 100 is the profit of first job. Next assign slot already. We have to assign 1 comma 2 slot. So the assign slot is 1 comma 2. The next job is 52. 52 means J5 profit. The job selected is J5. For J5 the deadline is 3. 3 means 3 minus 1 comma 3. So 2 comma 3. Here the 2 comma 3 is completely free. So we assign that slot. So it's J3. Suppose 2 comma 3 is already occupied. Then we have used r minus 2 comma r minus 1, which means 1 comma 2. Likewise have to check one by one, but here slot is free. We have to assign J5. Now 2 comma 3 slot is assigned. Here the profit is 52. Already we have a profit of 100. So 100 plus 52 means 152. Next the assigned slots are 1 comma 2 as well as 2 comma 3. Next the bigger profit is 38. 38 is nothing but the profit of third job. The next job is J3. Next the slot. Here the formula is r minus 1 comma r. Here the r is 2. R is 2. So 2 minus 1 comma 2. Then we get 1 comma 2. But 1 comma 2 is already occupied. So we have to use another formula, r minus 2 comma r minus 1. Then 2 minus 2 comma 2 minus 1. Then we get 0 comma 1. So J3 is allocated to 0 comma 1. Now the action is 0 comma 1. Then the profit of J3 is 38. So 152 plus 38, 190. Next the assigned slots are 0 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 2 comma 3. The next profit is 27. 27 is the profit of J4. J4 deadline is 1. So 1 means J4 deadline is 1. 1 means 1 minus 1 comma 1. So 0 comma 1. But 0 comma 1 slot is already occupied. Here the action is rejected. Why? Because we cannot place the corresponding job in the corresponding slot. So the profit is 190. Now the second job profit is 19. So assigned slots are same. 0, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 3. The last job is J5. 19 is nothing but J5. So J2. The deadline is 1. 1 means 0, 1 slot, but 0, 1 slot is already occupied to J3, so reject it. So the profit is 190 only. So we can say that the job sequence is J1, J5 and J3. So the machine executes the job in this order with a profit 190. This is about the job sequence with deadlines. Thank you all.